Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, bless the love, guys. Bless the love. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Anywhere you are, welcome back to Kima Live in Jamaica. You know the thing goes. So today we're going to head into Spanish Town. You know, we have some donation for the blind brothers. You know, so we give thanks to our extended family. You know, we will appreciate it. So you know, the last time you guys the concern about the blind brothers and Orlando that putting out this time, you know, to helping out the brothers, you know. So as I said, guys, if you don't hear your name in this batch of donation, you will hear it in the next, because there's so many things for me to do, you know. So I don't get the chance to bring everyone to write them all the donations. So I'm gonna go with a batch, you know, to give to Orlando, you know, and make sure they get something, they can get something up and get some food or something, you know. So, and also I'm gonna get to sort out the book list as well too, you know, for what's his name again, Kenisha, you know, because Winstone Chronicles is gonna sort out the book list as well for Kenisha as well too. So I need to get the list also from Gracie, you know, for me can go and check it out if she can I get to do that, you know. So that's where we're gonna head now, you know. So we're there with some of the team members, them, you know, as usual. I'm not lying, the ghost. Thing good. Well, from where they say you come back.
Waiting, I just more time to fly out, you know, for me, you know, spend around 2-3 weeks and them way. Yeah, I'm say I come back and put on some rare and some tete and some. And come finish up and play. Guys, so this is the art man again himself. Yeah man, Michael Robinson.
Michael, aka Lady Goose.
Travel all over the world. Belgium, Germany, Holland, Toronto, Canada, USA. Yeah.
So you see, when I grew up, I want to be like him. Travel around the world, you know. All them countries them been to plus more. You see?
Yeah man, a lot of places.
A lot of places. So
some of them I not even remember.
Jeez! You know? Last count. So guys, so he's the one that done the artwork you see there in the shop.
Great.
You know?
I don't know. Great is great, and great you should never underrate.
Never. And them should give you the flowers when you're alive. You see me? Not when time you're unalive.
That me see them do. Them wait till you pass
and give you the flowers.
Start honor you. And that's not right.
Can't right.
Get your thing from now. Early days.
Yeah.
To show say things.
Of course.
Up.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
But I appreciate the goodness.
No, so Babylon set up still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So hopefully one day they will change all of that, right?
Yeah.
And we the people have to change it.
Yeah, we have to change it, yes, we have to just work together and build.
Yeah.
Better nation, better people, better community. Yeah, man.
And that's what we are
trying to do. One love.
And one team.
One aim. One destiny.
Yeah. And don't forget about the one team.
One
and
team.
A dream team.
Dream team.
Aye. Alright, so we are catch up because we make a run. So guys out there with Boom himself. You know, we have Rasta Jackson here, same way. And we have Tottigan, spend the most grand. And we have Wow Chef over there. You know. Oh, go on. Older than his.
Elderly.
You're older now because you turn granny.
Turn grandma, so that's her name, elderly.
Alright.
Yes, my grandfather passed off.
Yeah, I've been here. How many am I very?
We're not setting a date because we don't come up with the funds yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's why I say we can ask around, you understand?
Yeah.
For the ring, because we don't have it. So we ask around for the help for the ring.
That's why Mr. Mark. Mr. Mark, you know. When 9 days gone already?
Yeah, 9 days gone already.
So next thing I'll be like a setup. And if you know, then but you know Almighty will do something, you know. You're a spiritual woman, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? So you know already. spiritual woman. So a blessing will forward through. You never know how, you never know when, but just keep praying same like what you always do. It never stop.
Never stop.
It's a mark, you know. The man said if you eat your food and stay out of people business. You know,
don't mind nobody business.
Yes,
business.
That's the long life. You see me? How to live a healthy life,
eating food,
and stay out of people
business, and him make people business bother him.
Yeah, people business is not for him business. You know, and food of him business, and that's how it go. And then, you know, my condolence, you know, sorry for you go and say me, you know, I'm just going to keep track. How old was he?
My 84.
84?
23rd of May, born 1941.
Still a go on, man, I'm like go on. They've been hurt a long time, boy.
Yeah.
They've been hurt a long time. Alright, then, so let me make a run still and we'll circle back,
Man,
yeah?
alright.
Some roasty iron then. It's like fire. Is Grace in there? Is Grace gone?
Grace gone.
Yeah. Alright, there's a lock on Miss Gracie door. It's Gracie! It's Gracie like she gone on the road. She's not there. There's a lock on the gate, so I don't know where she's gone, but she's not at home. So we're going to see the Bland Brothers, Orlando. So Gracie has stretched her legs, I guess. You know, that's what she's doing, stretching her legs. So we're here, we're going to see Orlando and the Bland Brothers and give them some donations and things, you know. So we give thanks, guys. So you know the thing goes already. So. Can't reach. Orlando!
man, Ireland, you take the gates up.
Secure him gate.
So it's hard to pull.
Capture land. Guys, this is called capture land, you know? Yeah. Airboat, hello, in the airboat capture land, this is it, you know. So this is all over here, guys. It's all food for the poor houses, you know. It's all food for the poor houses, you know. So, Orlando, turn the radio for me there. Patrick.
Good evening.
Hey, good evening. Yeah, alright. Now what do you know, Shimmy? No, nothing wrong, man.
Everything alright.
Yeah, man. You, everything alright? Yeah. Now make Orlando turn on the radio a bit. And you can check up on Charles. Say good though.
Yeah.
Hold on, man. You don't feel no pain? Oh.
This side, I want that side. Yeah.
They say you don't feel no pain? No. Good. So with Charles, I say, Charles, Patrick.
In there.
Hey, you want to hear the two of them? Hey, boom. You want to hear when the two of them are close? Yeah, from both sides, whatever I say there.
Yeah, I read that in.
Yeah. I'm so good. I'm so good.
Good.
Yo, Charles, Wagwan.
What do you have to give thanks? We just pick up when I say why.
No, we didn't take trim already.
No,
Leave the sheet, man.
Make a sheet stay.
Yep, leave the sheet.
you know what, everything alright though.
Yeah, man, everything alright with you?
Why would I work side out?
Alright. Just still there with me. Still
I
there
don't
with me.
work, we just say work. We just say put out work.
Yeah, because Orlando is still here. And you're still here.
We see why young guys, the words have.
Yeah,
I
true.
want to be our own man.
True.
Not 32 long now.
How much?
32.
32.
That's how you get back here.
Yeah, young girl.
I'm in fact, the young girl, 32.
Oh, so you get young now, man. Orlando, the man get young, Orlando.
Yes, all of a sudden you get well young.
You get young Charles. That good.
Only thing we feel we make everybody. Young man.
Yeah, young.
I mean, 2 years what I said there. I get 30 years. We had 30 years, we read that. 32, you know?
Hey, but Patrick say you're not 32.
No, in my age, you mix up the age of my life.
My own.
Patrick say you're not 32.
In my own.
Patrick say you are not 32.
I don't see that.
Oh, Patrick?
They don't see that.
We are call leader, Patrick.
They don't see that.
Play fix him sheet again.
Play with yourself and make the sheet stay.
Patrick!
Yeah?
Patrick. Yeah, Patrick.
Yeah.
How old is Charles?
No, I'm doing that.
70 years.
Yeah.
See, you're 70 years, Charles. Patrick say you're 70 years. Charles, that's I play with him too.
Not 30
You say the pan video. You the pan video, you know? Yes, so tap the way I do.
Yeah.
And talk. Tell them like what go on with you.
Yeah, he is 2 years old now. The man is 2 years old and don't know me.
No, what I'm saying is 70s.
What?
You want to
I say, I'm 2 years old and you, and you're 2 years here with. We born same time.
No, the man is.
We born the same year.
Him said, no, man, you're mad, man.
Yeah, man.
Who older? Patrick, you older?
Am I older one?
Oh, Charles older.
Yeah.
Charles, are you older, man?
First one for both parents, yeah.
Blood clot, sorry.
Alright, that was my brother.
I'm going to say, you're going
Go
to
fix the sheet
represent from Montana. I get there, no God, hospital. Get there, no God.
Are you older? Yeah, Charles?
Remember you had the first band?
Yeah, the first one. Yeah?
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, first band.
Now, look at buy me a drink.
Yeah, man, we'll get all of something for him buying a drink.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, I'll go there, so. So I'm there here.
Alright.
And I run for Charles. Hey, when Charles cuss somebody, they have to laugh, you know, because we ain't cuss them sweet.
You got yeah.
Yeah.
I know that. Yeah.
In the reach 80 at door.
No. You're there.
You're 2 years older than Patrick?
Huh?
You're 2 years older than him?
No. I am. My brother lives with a man. A woman.
Oh. You have a next brother?
Eh?
Oh, okay. Which one? The one with... Okay. The next brother?
Yeah.
Okay. Him older?
Two brother. No.
You have sister as well?
Yeah.
Him have sister as well too?
Yeah, man.
Town.
Which one? Town?
Yeah.
Oh. So at town you used to live?
Eh?
You used to live at town?
I
It's not
didn't
the town. The family just
Come from
around
town?
it. Yeah. Some of them grew at town.
Oh. So you grew at town to Patrick?
Him grew up country and
Country
come at
grow.
town.
Oh, which country?
Manchester.
Oh, I come from Manchester.
Chester.
Galchester.
Yeah.
Modern time, them say Galchester.
I know.
Chester.
Them change the name.
I know.
Yeah, name change.
Yeah.
I know. First chin. First name Jen.
Yeah.
And then I knew her birth.
Yeah, change.
Jen. Yeah, Maria.
So we bring some donation food here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay, alright, so.
I'm gonna sit down here.
Huh?
One day, right, good.
From what you gonna eat good?
No, but I'm not saying no. I'm saying no.
They not like.
It's a mafia again.
I'm
Yeah.
not sure them say the money done, you know, so I feel give them some tinners
Yeah.
or any other cheap things. So if you tell us I pay food, we don't really like you, man.
Yeah. I say I got some time, Patrick, I know the other situations there, you know?
Yeah.
Sure the money not really there about, so.
Yes.
So we get, yeah. So we bring some money now when we can get some better food then.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So all of them can put on a nice little pot food. A little rice and peas. When last I get rice and peas? When last I get fish soup? Some fish soup. Long time. Just boil the fish head.
You can't eat it. Unless I go strain it.
Yeah, you have to strain it. Yeah. You have to strain it.
You have to strain it, man.
Yeah, man. You just boil it and just strain it first, strain after. Yeah.
And give them a liquid.
Yeah. Easy, man. Just boil the fish water first and then just strain it after. And you just drop in the ground food them in it. And then gonna leave with them cup soup, with them cup noodles. Give me cup noodles. your fish noodle. Yeah. Alright then, so Orlando, what am I say? Yeah, man. A lot of people kind of concerned and kind of appreciate the work we do because let me say, you give up your free time to look out for them, you know. You not work nothing at all, you know. So you just spend your time because we notice every time we come here, we say, Orlando, you're always inside.
Yeah,
never outside.
Pay attention to them, you know. And time I go up and road, I still them mostly me I look out for. Look about things to them and such.
So blessings, man. So let me say your blessings will come your way, you know.
Yeah.
You know how the thing goes. So I don't know if I have any more donation in the package. We're gonna write up yet, but you know if anything is there, you
So
see
as
back
time
again
go
soon.
by.
Yeah, you see him back soon. So first we have Angela here from the UK. We have $15,000 here for you for the brothers
Okay.
them from Angela.
I received 15,000 from Angela from the UK for the brothers Patrick and Alfonso. Yeah, for the two brothers. $15.
Yeah, from Angela.
Yeah, my
from,
respect.
From Angela from the UK. Alright, so hold that paper you gotta go on. Okay. So this $9,000 from Sharon from Queens.
Okay.
9,000 from Sharon.
Alright, I
from
received
Queens.
$9,000 from Sharon from Queens. My thanks. And also thanks from the brother them.
Yeah.
Patrick, Alfonso. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, so count it says 9.
Nine.
Yeah. And we have another Angela here also. This one is from New York.
Okay.
So we have another Angela from New York, which is 7,500 as well
Yes.
too, from Angela from New York.
I received 7,500 Angela from New York. Yeah, I really appreciate it and thanks Patrick or Alfonso. Appreciate it also.
Yes. 7,500. So we have one Angela from the UK and one from New York.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a donation now, which is, so you know, that is for the blind brothers, them, you know?
Okay.
So we have 7,500 for you personal, you know, from Max from New York for yourself.
Okay. Alright, I received $7,000 for myself.
7,500.
7,500 from Max from New York. My thanks. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Yeah.
So we give thanks to Angela, you know, the two Angela, them, one from New York and one from the UK, and Max as well. So we thank you so much.
Big dog.
It's a big them up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and also Sharon as well too from Queens. You can thank them, man. So tell them.
Yeah. Thank them. Thank them. Very much.
Yeah, so we want to say it up on camera, so
Yes, it's a record.
Yeah.
So you can,
Yeah, man.
uh,
Tango na. Wherever. Tango na. Una worse. Worse.
yeah, it could have worse. Alright.
Okay, so I appreciate the help.
Yeah. Patrick himself.
Yeah.
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 So at least you can get some good food now.
Yeah, thank
Yeah?
you.
Get some
you.
good food. Just tell all what kind of food you want now.
Eh?
What kind of food you want?
No.
Him know.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
you want the audience to know also.
So you can't tell me, make me know that now.
Yeah.
What kind of food you want?
Right, some reason. Chicken, yeah.
I will some peas and chicken.
Yeah.
What kind of juice?
Huh?
What kind of juice?
Any
Any fruit juice.
Any fruit
drink any
juice.
fruit juice.
Yeah, I mean, one say you know Ireland rice and peas and chicken. That the one want. Charles! Charles over here cost some more bad over there. Where you want him? You know how you want
They
there?
never have done it, so them man talk to you now before them.
So we are going now in a Charles. So
You drive though.
yeah, so we just give some
You take time drive on the road.
yeah, man, give
You
thanks.
don't like how time I don't think happen and then Christmas time.
And a Christmas.
Christmas,
August.
Yeah, well, you have to take time drive all the time. Man.
Yeah.
Alright.
I give thanks.
Yeah, man, we give thanks, man.
Alright.
Want to rest up here? Take it easy.
Yeah, man. We're glad to the food.
Yeah, man.
Personally, we can have a little pound and chicken. Can buy them so.
Yeah.
Yeah, we give thanks. Take time, you don't have that.
Yeah, man.
I give thanks.
Alright, then big up. Big up.
Give thanks.
Orlando.
Yeah.
I must just continue the good work, same here.
Yeah, man, I appreciate what you're doing, you know. Really help us a lot, you know.
Yeah,
my thanks. Many respect. Yeah.
Yeah, man, so we appreciate that. So, so guys, I must say we give thanks. Same here, Angela from the UK and also Angela from New York. We thank you so much as well to, and Sharon from Queens. Thank you for the blessings as well too. And also Max, you know, I was gonna say, if you don't hear your name in this batch, you will definitely hear it in the next batch, you know, because I haven't get a chance to write up the rest of the donations then, you know, so I don't know who or who it's for as yet. So whenever I get the chance, then you know the thing goes already. So we give thanks, so guys. So, you know, we're going to head back in our town. We're leaving from Trench Town to Spanish Town, from Spanish Town to Trench Town. So we're leaving from one town to the next town, you know. So more town and yeah. So from the towns to the towns. So I'm saying it's a distance from the towns them, you know. It might sound like it's close because of town, but it's a distance towns away.
Yeah.
Yeah. Patrick said, yeah, it's a distance towns away, not a close town. You know, far town. And over here we have the zinc fences and the trenches. Just like Trench Town in Spanish Town. From one town to the next town. The zinc fences and the trenches.
Alright, thank you.
Patrick, pick up yourself.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, man. So you get rice and peas and chicken.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, man. So you can turn up back in radio.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you got Sunday.
Sunday dinner.
Sunday, I get that.
Sunday you want that.
Yeah.
So what you want tonight? What you want tonight? You don't mind? What you want? What you say?
Yes, sir. Glad.
Yeah, I understand.
Oh, you tell her we're eating fried dumpling a while ago.
Oh.
Yes, and chicken liver.
Oh, chicken liver.
Yes, so I'm telling you, eating it after.
Okay. Music News
Yeah.
is brought to you by
You give some. You know, like Callaloo.
100 winners of
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Let's steam some Callaloo, get them on them.
I give them the vegetable, although mostly meat them goes first still.
Okay.
Meat personal. Goes to the meat more. Yeah, I give them and the first time I give them in between.
Yeah,
meat
yeah.
now and to Callaloo and
Cause them
cabbage
stomach probably can't digest too much meat, you know?
Yeah, and I eat them love.
And I eat them love. Yeah. Chicken, you know, so rice and peas and chicken. Yeah. Man say, yo, you know more, man. Rice and peas and chicken. Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh, get there, son. Grace, lock up, man. Grace, hey! Yeah, door lock. Grace is not home. Alright, guys, so that is the Spanish Town mission, you know, so we give thanks. So Grace is not home, you know, so I'll try and get contact with her. I don't know where she's gone, but she's definitely not at home, you know, for once. So yeah, it's good for her to get out and get some fresh air, you know. Oh, she's going to check in family. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you watching from or anywhere you are. Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. Them say Jamaica. You know we ain't no faker. So blessed love, guys. I hope you're having a great day. So remember, please to put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. Please remember to put the thumbs up. And if you're one of them that haven't subscribed yet, come on, please be a part of this family. And welcome to the family of the extended family, Kino Life in Jamaica. So today we have some goodies. You know, Esther gone in front. Esther bring some stuff here. We have some stuff from ND. And we're also from the Chunk family for the Cranberry family. You know, okay, everybody say Cranberry family. Okay, it's Cranberry and family. You know, so yes, it's Cranberry and family. So we're gonna head up to Marm River now. You know, so yeah, Esther got some goodies. So War Chef. So I guess War Chef is on the road working. You know, some of the members are on the road working. So we're gonna sit in here and we're gonna take on the place. You know. Hey Rashida. Hello. Hey Dream. Yeah, Dream, this is for you. All this. When? Thursday. All this Dream is for you. Dream, I say you can't take me for food. No. Dream, this is for you, you know.
I'm trying to get out of the bag.
Dream, I say you can't take me for food, you know.
And a people by night bag.
You don't want it, Dream? You want to see? Smile at me while I'm stylist on the place.
May I tell you?
And Shaida says it's her birthday Thursday.
Yes, Thursday is my birthday, guys. After 50.
After 50?
Yeah.
Hey, so you're still batting.
Yeah.
She's still batting, right?
Yeah.
And Dream, you know you passed 50 a long time. Well, you passed 50 a long time.
You see when time, because this are the people here, you don't get by the leftover Dream, gonna Dream here. Yeah.
Oh.
Like 1 minute the dollar here though.
Well, Dream, your style hot, no, nah, lie. Sure, no, because you cock up like a two man. Hot girl settings. Indo, cool, no?
Mr. come out, say yes, I'm in the hospital this morning.
Why?
We don't feel chicken lady.
Cool and we're going.
Ear up, everybody. Ear up, everybody, ear up. Bless upon yourself and big up on yourself, you know? There you're back.
Oh, alright. So we have 30 grand dresser and 30 grand fridge. What that girl name again? Which said she wanted a 30 grand.
No, when I have something to wait up.
Yeah, a 30 grand dresser and a 30 grand fridge.
Yeah.
30 grand dresser and a 30 grand fridge. We have boomies here in the building. I said money pan ground.
$10 kind of money that you look for it. Money pan ground and nobody now look for it. $10 kind, nobody now look for it.
But are you all now look for it too?
You can't buy it, you know. I can pick them up on the start to do them.
It's called make up. Because if you have $90 you want $10. You know? And sometimes you see some man on the road I beg. Yeah.
Grabber, grab.
Yeah. I can buy on the grabber. You forgot about the grabber? Can buy on the grabber. Boom. How would it feel if you find yourself on a plane?
That feel?
Oh yeah.
How would you feel?
For taking plane for the first time in your life?
I feel like I play through the window when I look
So you go on a window seat?
Yeah, I run through my head, you know. I'm a guy if I want to like
I'm not tell like, you know, my first time, boy, I tell you it was overwhelming.
Yeah.
I feel good for the first time, no, so I'm flying on a plane, brother.
Yeah.
I tell no lie. Yeah, man, I feel very good, man. Please me. What boom nice, my youth.
TV alone, I see them things.
Yeah. Yeah, that booms up on TV alone.
Well, you see, my first time, I never called, you know.
No, me never coward.
No, my first time I never coward. Years after I get coward because some to me on one plane one time and from that I'm fearing them every time to take plane I was afraid.
Up on the rocky road.
On the rocky road.
Yeah, the rocky road.
People not plane I go on. No, people not plane I go on bad on
You go on the rocky road. The turbulence. Then you see a pothole.
Yeah, man, sometimes you go feel a little part of it, man. Sometimes you feel like you're on a little rocky road for true, man. I feel like it's a car in there, and boom. So it feel like, you know, yeah, to me, it feel like it's a car.
Yeah. So you feel like you're in a Kino car.
I feel like you not move, but it's a move.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel like a paper to
Don't worry, man, boom, that day is coming.
Yeah, man, true.
That day is coming. You know it does already.
I could have taken all 4 planes in one day.
Africa.
No, first day flew.
Oh.
She go Barbados and a 4.
We take it to, you know.
4, he say.
Take one guy, one country.
You know, say I connect, go and connect, come back.
Yeah, man, a 3 boom, man. One from here, so.
Alright, guys, you know the thing goes, so we're head up towards Mama River now. So, you know the thing goes already, so stay tuned, we're on the journey. Going to the competition? Be a taxi man. Yes, look at this. I chuck him going to accident. Whenever you see accident, just look out for taxi man involved. Yeah. Look at that accident now. Taxi man. Yeah. Oh, I'm rich and I need this. I only God alone now. Yeah. Yo, say another aya. Say another aya.
Yeah, man, Jamaica Ira Silver outside. Aim with the car.
Yeah.
We all the stuff. We stop like some guest passenger. Run to the next taxi man.
Yeah.
And rouse the man take.
Oh.
Yeah.
Tell about them for $100.
Yeah.
See it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that I run out. Hurry up. Can't smell it. Good day. Nobody not like nothing, you know. Yeah. The police, yeah? How old is? Yeah, driver, what go on? Driver, how far fall?
I come down and I go the drive out for me, man.
So how far fall?
The film fall.
Film fall.
You man come out and get station.
Yeah, just so right now, nobody not gonna take the blame, you know. Nobody not gonna take the blame. That's one thing for sure.
In the punish street and other one drive out, and the drive out and the problem.
You don't say the drive out, right?
No, the drive out wrong.
The drive out to the wrong, yes.
Yeah, because you promote a gas station.
A gas station.
You know, so the island. Round the place and say I want a gas station.
Yeah. See police up yesterday. I want to get Popeyes. Look on them. Love them belly. Look on the police them over there. Popeyes them again. See them there? Accident down the road. Look guys. Accident down the road. And police there are Popeyes.
I love that chicken from Popeyes.
Look at that. With them lighter bling, you know. So you know, so them want express serving.
Yeah, but the police don't down there sound there say
look
Popeyes.
A
crime scene.
The police
there. They better nobody make sure them not like nothing out there, so run up and down.
Sparks, brother.
Sparks. I say most of the accidents that we see in Jamaica always taxi involved.
Yeah.
You know? Why taxi man? If you're a taxi driver watching
but
this,
should I alert?
why? You know? Sometimes I hear why some taxi drivers don't like to give blind.
Yeah.
They want blind.
Yeah.
So the man probably expect a blind.
Yeah, and him.
And say no blind.
A peak hours never gonna look at
yeah, peak hours. You know, even though the driver might be wrong for push out, him wrong for push out, but sometimes you cannot drive for yourself.
Yeah.
That's one thing for sure in Jamaica. You cannot drive for
Because
yourself.
it a few more damage.
So if me a taxi man, I not drive for myself. You have to drive for that man that want to try push out before he pass it, you know?
Man or a walker by or something like took out, brother.
One thing, you know, say Monday the road them always free on a Monday, you notice?
Everybody eat Monday.
Yeah. There's one thing for sure, on a Monday the road always free than anywhere else.
Oh, I know the car them down.
And Wednesday, I don't know.
Eh?
Oh, one day, they call them a pretty thing I know. I well white out.
Well, guys, so we just reached Miami River, you know, and traffic was smooth sailing coming up, you know, and we give thanks for that. Very, very, very smooth. And guys, yes guys, so the date has set for the video shoot as well too, which is the 11th of this month. I'm having my music video shoot for the 11th, you know. Yes, that is the time, the 11th, you know. It's been a while, you know. It's been like over 10 years. I lie. The last time I done a video shoot, 2015. Yes, that's the last time I done a music video shoot. So this is gonna be my first one in a decade, you know, and my first recording song as well too in a decade. So the Vivo is coming out anytime soon. Just waiting some other things to be completed, and then now you're gonna see the video out and everything, you know. So guys, it's gonna be a nice video, it's gonna be a nice song, you know, trust me. And we need you guys to help share it, help support, you know, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Kina is there doing the music, we're doing the music for the people, you know. So we have to stand for something, or just I will fall for anything. You know, it's one thing I say in life, you know, I stand for righteousness, you know. That's what I'm here for, righteousness and love. So, welcome, Miami River. Yeah, girl. Water let out. Got the water let out. Around the corner, around the bend. Toko area. Come now.
We're going to do champagne and champagne.
What a clean one. How are they
Hello, they must sell or something. A tray of blows or Shaban.
seller than buyer.
How far baby that?
Chelsea, she come.
Our daughter?
She want come, man.
Come down, come
She want come.
I think we are going to make some tracks.
Oh, Chelsea. This is Manchester United.
Yeah.
And this is Arsenal.
And this is Arsenal over here.
And it's a
Hello, Chelsea. I am Manchester United. Hey.
Arsenal.
And that's Arsenal.
Yep.
And,
yeah. So Cranberry.
And Chelsea as well.
My Cranberry, Chelsea.
Yeah. Oh, sure. The seller seller or something.
And I walk one, you know.
Yeah.
I shall teach him how to say.
Young time know them man from school days, you know. Come to your brother. To Neil, man. Come to your brother.
Yeah, man, down there, man. Ginger down there, man.
Yeah.
You have to read art, Neil, man. Because the last time you buckle down at all, man.
Yeah.
Give me something and say to you, man.
Yes, yes, we are there, remember, man. Cool, man.
Man, read my brother, man.
Long time,
Evening.
Him up still, man. Him up,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
So, man, I hope that's sometime.
You don't want to for the foot, daddy.
For the foot?
Yeah, let's call the foot scrub.
Esther, I don't want anything. She's a gadget lady.
Can't talk about it and talk about it.
My bike has just done I'm going to have a collection.
Nana, how's everything? Okay?
Same man. Say it, there's not the same way too.
No, something we care for some little people.
Tell the man to sell the sheets, say come sell the people them sheets.
Yeah, man, I say go, man. Yeah, man, they are selling still. I go back in.
Yeah, man.
Send it to
They go best continue go and do the hustle, man. You know the thing, man.
You know, we not give up, you know, kill the things, you know.
Yeah.
See, man, I know so we beat, you know.
Of course. Beard, fork, this, that, water buckle, that. Looking glass.
Water buckle.
Yeah.
You know, gloves, driving gloves, riding gloves.
It's good because you could have done anything else, but you choose to do this.
Do the right thing, you know.
Sure. Might look small, but you still have to try your best. True. You know.
If you know the right, do the right, you know.
Of course.
True. Some more time, yeah.
More sure.
Yeah, man. Take care
of again, man.
Yeah. Cranberry, what can I tell you? Why you training bro them there? You know?
Daddy, the dad said, some of my brothers here.
Tear up.
She want to buy some.
I like she tell love. She don't want to wear them though. That's why you see me, Nana. You say you too lie. Nana say
some of them tear up. You don't looking at my jaw. That's what
she don't want to wear none of them.
Mommy said wear some of them. I about no.
Exactly.
Yo, she lie.
Are you lie? Go and go put them on. Can you get a whole heap of them?
Loving at the tear up all clothes.
Exactly, and the lady been telling you the same thing.
That's a lie.
Everybody ever tell her.
People either tell life on you. Hey, look here. Go up the road. Go up the lane. The change job done.
Yo, what you mean?
And the thing is, you just tell her though. You see? And the thing is, it's not like people now try to tell her, you know.
Cranberry. You know what I'm saying, man?
Change no way, they're not changing. One.
That's why I rate Nana, you know. Nana always talk as how it is.
If it don't take so far, I come here and I see her friend, I share my friend, I share what they go. I she understand children.
Come Nana, come. Come. No. Because I know she got a lot of them. Exactly. Go and go. Yes, go and go change your top. Go and go change your clothes. Just go and go change your clothes. Lie, shut it, love.
No, what woman come in here?
Just go on, miss. Just go on.
What woman come in never did a Sunday?
Yeah, she told me. Yeah, she told me. And change.
Whatever. And she a call you and say about peanut and salt. And anytime she see a shower.
Whatever, go and change the top. Until not change what we are telling you, change the top.
Alright, now change the top.
You have a feeling.
Yeah.
This.
Oh!
You start get some lick.
Tie you up on your hands next.
But me know why she think it hard for us to listen when someone talk to her. She think it hard.
At least me I put on Brazil.
High five.
Wait, what else I do?
You know where to find it. Look at it.
It wet. Feel it, Kino.
No, sir, wet.
This wet. You not listen up close in there.
He must say it wet.
Shall laugh and feel like
never have
we
to
not
feel
laugh
it.
like Cranberry, we not laugh.
Chunks, so we had a drop?
We are slide.
Let me catch that, you know.
We are slide.
Oh, sir.
I'm never straight, but from reach again.
Yeah,
start to sweat.
I lose the wall and the sweat.
She don't go in herself an hour. Too much clothes you have in the drawer. Can I tell her put on the training bra them and she don't want to put them on?
Yeah, I tell her. And then what she do not want to put on it.
Put on one of the training bra them. You're supposed to wear them. So you laugh.
I'm a man that knows them dirty, so I can't. The amount of them I have be about 2 barrels of clothes. Yeah, so you can't find the one. Come here.
Look, taste all this sour.
If it's sour, I don't want to taste it. I don't want.
Oh, yeah, just go up the door.
Yeah.
Them there on a farm.
Going where?
Miss, just to change your top now. Why you keep on walk up and down for?
I have to put on wet top. I'm assuming to say it wet. I never have to feel it.
It's sour? Sour?
Not to that.
When I taste it the first time, it's sour.
Where daddy there? We're charging.
Up here.
Come up here. When there?
I think this up here.
Rapture, come take him.
That's it. Up here. We're charging there.
Jelly, come on. Go up here, jelly. Jelly.
Where? Up here, sir? Where?
This up here, gun at you. Yeah.
Charge it. Where you pick jelly? Why you climb tree? Come here, something a fall, me I wonder how I drop. A long time I don't see my dog. Hear my bark there. Hear she bark there. She says it's been a while. Watch your head, watch your head. Wap,
Yeah.
You know, long she don't see me. It's been a while. She says, look how long. Yeah. That she said, Kino, look how long me not see you. She saying, Kino, look how long me not see you. Long time. She said, charge your pick jelly in the tree. Alright. Like she said, a long time I don't see you. Look. How you doing? Watch your palm. Look. She's greeting me already before I even reach. Look at this. Look. How you doing? Long time, don't it? Yeah. Long time. Long time, no. Wow. It's been a while, right? Just a long time I don't see you. No. Just a long time I don't see me dance. How is the baby then? She don't want to stop giving me a paw. How is the babies? High five. High five. High five. High five. High five. How is the babies? Where's the babies? Where's the babies? Babies, where's the babies? As Pierre high five show I give me. Where's the babies? Babies? Where's the babies? Where's the babies? Where's the babies? It's been a while. It's been a while she haven't seen me. Look, all she wanna do is give me a high five. Look. Long time. You know it's been no long? Look. And she see me, the first thing she started to do, put out her paw to greet me. How is the babies? How is the babies? Look, up here, high five, look. Alright. It's been a while. Hey, I'm telling you. Spider. Look. She's not coming down, you know, but she just want to give me a high five. Hey. Spider. Alright then, Spider. I'm gonna bring some food for you, okay? I'm coming back, I'm gonna buy you some food. Right? I'm going now, Spider. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. High five. See you later, okay? Catch you back. Bye-bye. Spider. It's been a while. I haven't seen Spider. You know, she's a very clever dog. Very, very clever. You know. She's like, look how long I don't see you. You know, look how long. You know, she say, jelly a fall. So as the dog see me I walk towards her, she start show out the paw. Like she say, look how long I don't see you.
Remember the paw.
Yeah, no matter how long the dog them always remember.
Daddy, me I go down the face.
No shoes? You got no shoe, honey?
My nose right there.
No right there?
Yes.
How that Nana have already? Are you get that?
Don't pay us only.
So how you going to do without shoes, Nana?
So you must follow her.
Are you sure?
Daddy, me I go down bang feet, yes.
Feet are good. Don't follow her feet.
Me I go down bang feet.
Nana bang? Wait, man. Him say wait. So wait. Nana, you're going to bang. And you going to get bang down a bang.
I want to follow you.
Go get bang. Go get radam. Watch your head, chunks. That one was close, 30 grand. Knock him out. I tell you. And a good thing, a jelly. Would I make you drink some and give you back some energy, you know, electrolytes. Wake you up back. Well, could jelly a drop? How much of they pick? 1 dozen?
They don't sell the treat up. Bust the one of them bust.
A Chris tree this? Where they have a field on it there. I hope I'm not catch you a drop neither.
With a laugh.
Yeah, alright, 30 grand. Watch it now. Yeah, she come. Come in. Watch her, see there? See there? See? Come in.
I don't care.
Yeah.
Wait there. I want them to catch her on the back camera. I should never look, you know. I swear.
Yeah, man. You hear that? Yeah, my fans, man. I start going in there in the bush, man. Look like that I for go on to, man. You see? Because I look the thing them, you know?
Yeah.
Let's start to get it.
I look around, you know.
Yeah, man. Go for them 2 more jelly, yeah.
No, sir. 30 grand. Is that 30 grand for all you get? What happened? What happened?
What you saying?
Oh, you bring the puppy, come show me. Okay. You bring a puppy, come show me. Eh? Is that your puppy? Eh? Come here. Come here, you puppy, come here. What's the baby name? What's the baby name? Never. What's the baby name? So when you want to speak like dog, if you want to ask for the baby name, you say name. Alright then, bye. At least you bring her. See the puppy there? Once you bring, come show me. Look, she call her and say, come, look, you see? Look here. I should jump up and I give. No, sir, then I just say. Like she bring her, look, she bring her and say, come, this is key, you know. Alright. Nah, you see what just happened now? Yeah. The baby this get big.
No, the baby they mash up too.
And get her back some puppy chow and get her back some food and get her back fit again. And that's all she wants to do. She wants some proper food.
They puppy they mash it up.
Yeah. You know? Spider? Yeah, when I get him. Open. Give me leave 2. Chris 1 2. Chris can get 2 of them. No, the jelly. The big one. His name Chris. Mine a drop again. You're 30 grand.
No, drop again.
Please. Hey, me not lie, my mister dropped that a while ago. I don't know if they catch it. Like, when I'm watching the video, when I'm going to edit, I will check and see if it's there. You know, but as I look away like this while the camera is pointing his direction, I'm going to see. Yeah. You find them? And the first year come so far.
Take all the whole of them.
Just one fine?
No, more than one there.
So when you bring one, bring more than one, put it down there so and go for the rest. How so far them go?
Ikina.
Rest them down. There's more in there?
Two more.
Put them on ground.
It's time.
How far you this? That burst.
That me tell him. Like somebody buff this already. Yeah. See they're jealous. No, it's the buff. No matter where you hear the knock.
Yeah.
See? Hey, yo! Enough of them!
Don't show it.
I bust a bust in and bread. Now look at more around and talk and I know how to do it.
No more around them, more than no one.
Oh, so everything that.
Yes. Check look more than them.
No, more up high gully.
No come down.
No, Daddy, no more around them. No more. Daddy, I get this.
Them saying take up everything.
But see, boss one day, but Tara have like a eat here. They all of them big.
No.
That burst, that burst.
I want to bring everything on. So why would I have to come back?
Get daddy one talk.
Chris get 2. Yeah. So you know how much you pick?
No, I come in about to pick some up, I'm going to pick more. Yeah, man, this is all right, man.
And the one for the overseas.
Give me that one.
Because just come pick out time.
Yeah.
One bunch of fish. So much bunch left back, daddy. Look like a whole left back.
Holy bunch and beer, no.
Gikina one for your job.
She bring it, man. Since in our soldiers.
Mr. Kina. Come on, start.
Can I manage to give me carry one for you then?
Gikina one for
Let me carry one for you. Give me.
Give
You want carry 2? Alright then, soldier. Yes, sir.
Mr. Kina, look here. Look here.
Warm to your neck.
No, that's something burn me.
Something burn you? So you don't know what burn you?
No.
You don't know what burn you? Just wake up and it's like that?
Yeah, some shit this morning. I just see one big patch of me there. I think I don't so. So this my mother see this pant and say like something in there.
When something, you don't know say like a burn. What upon that neck a burn?
Must something burn her.
And you don't feel when it burn you?
And she don't feel it.
And what for burn you say till it's catch up, till it's like that? Look, open it.
What?
So you tell me say you don't feel that?
No.
Fix them. No, not coming.
Kina get one though, daddy.
Kina get
No,
5.
I'm good, man. I have jelly water in my fridge already.
So we are get extra one. See there.
30 grand. 30 grand gone a river. You want jelly? You want jelly? Sorry, I can't carry 2. Go on, and bring it for you.
So much talk out in that hand.
I'm soon to go up the hill with that now. I'm in charge of we have one package for you as well too.
Up.
Go on with this. Come in know how your next day so you don't know.
30 grand. Hey. Big one. You're in that, you're 30 grand. Then I got to.
Esther, come here. Come, Charlie, look up. How long me tell you, me help you? See, you cannot manage the 2 of them.
Good.
Bring it up for your Harry. Go on with it now, go on. Go on, Harry. Come on, everybody, this is fire. Yeah. Yeah.
Mama, cut that up here.
That's dull.
Those weddings, so get ready for it. Uncle, not there. You're not there. Why? Everything's alright. Tara, mine.
Hey! What's that? The talk rough, you know, man. Really ninja. Can you turn on the... Ken, turn the radio for me, please.
Him not pick off all of them. White shoes, Valentino.
That's not white.
Everyone.
Alright.
Pretty sheet. Like me, I see when I walk that look like shampoo, no, the black sound.
What do you make it me ask you?
Ask me, madam, let me know.
So are you for know? Are you up on you there?
No, like me, I find something about me, I'm not feel like.
So I say your skin.
Look how far gone up when I find don't eat on yourself.
Imagine that he
something
burn up on fear neck.
This never
And she must ask her mother.
this never depend yesterday. I want something depend like so. Like so. Black. Something there right as like so up there. And that come this morning.
Can you imagine that? She get a that look like a burn.
Like a fresh, if I fry.
So I made the cranberry. So I say enough you in the aisle burn you?
No.
No.
At the top layer.
I want the skin where she have.
Yeah, at the top layer.
At the top layer?
Yeah, you just take out the top layer.
I want the skin where she have. You know, because she don't feel nothing at all. Imagine have a skin like that. You get burned and you don't feel it. And it's a big burn too.
Like the iron.
The iron berry. And a cranberry. This is iron berry. So guys, so welcome here. This is iron berry from up Mama River. You know, and you have nana berry, cocoa berry, strawberry, Ari berry, and family berry. You know, Hennessy make Menacey. You know. Sorry, so here we have some stuff soon, no?
You never see that one there right.
Who name Hennessy?
Me.
You never know so uncle them champagne. Rum.
Who are rum? Most talker get the rum.
None of them not blame me.
Oh, Cranberry, Hennessy, rum, and
Apple vodka.
Who apple vodka?
Talk apple vodka.
Oh, talker apple vodka.
Two. Hennessy. Nana Hennessy and supposed to Tara supposed to.
And them call me Cranberry.
And you're the chaser. You get the chaser. Hey, you want talker one serious look when she ready for look for you. Yeah. Talk over look there. She don't have to talk, you know.
Oh no, when we come talk a girl, when they look like talk a tomboy.
Yeah, rough.
See talk all the but open all the part.
Alright, so we have some stuff here. Look, come here.
Come here.
Call your brother and come here.
Yes. And don't tell me your name.
What am I?
Nice start.
See?
Nice start it.
So we have some stuff here where
I eat them, I eat that.
Where Esther bring.
Yes.
All the way from far in the country. You know?
Far country.
Far in the country. Yeah. It's far in the American land. In them far
so
in.
far she go?
We're in Maryland.
She must bring up everything I mind.
In America. Far. And it's
Thank you, Esther, and may God bless you.
Have a wonderful day.
Okay, so we're going to also thank ND. So thank you, ND from America.
ND from America, and may God bless you. And you have a wonderful day.
Alright, you never practice, but I'm going to say it one by one.
Me.
Yeah.
Alright, you wait. I'll make Tara first. Tara, thank ND.
Thank you, ND.
And
Esther.
come talk on nobody go in your shell now. Are you say you want?
Say na chorus.
She said she want Ari say it.
Alright, go on, Ari. Say thank you, Andy.
Thank you, Eddie. I'm free processor.
Alright, come, your turn now, Toko.
Thank you, Andy. I know make a full basket never empty.
Alright.
Thank you, Andy, for America make a full basket never empty.
Alright, so come now, you come Ironberry.
No, don't come so again. But it's a cranberry.
No,
Blackberry.
No blackberry, guys. Remember, you know, I'll burn her
And she never know.
and she never know.
Feel it.
So you tell me, you know.
What's it mean? I did never feel it.
No, she never. You tell her she never feel it. So thank Andy.
Thank you, Andy, so much. And may God bless you and have a safe.
Safe one. Alright, so we also have Andy and we also have Chung, right?
Yeah.
So what is from Andy? We could give them what is from Andy.
Deal.
Andy, thank you so much. And may God bless your full basket never empty.
Alright, so let me see what Andy.
Excuse Nana.
The difference. You have Andy and you have also
No,
the Chung.
these are just MD. Sit Chung here.
Okay, so this is Andy. So in here, wow. You know, so you can't run outside and run for better than pretty sheet.
No, Mama, then I'll put on in there.
No, sir.
She said it's special.
I told her, oh, it's finished.
Oh, so this is for Chargy?
Wow, Mommy, this
From
is
Andy?
my sheet.
Yes,
Oh, Chargy. From Andy.
Thanks again, man. Only partner love, man. Only partner respect, man. Thanks again, man.
Yeah.
Who with toothbrush?
Andy, thank you so much and make your full basket never run empty.
Okay. And then them get them favorite and please don't this in one day.
No, this is mine.
You know say, you know say, I have a dream this morning say, I see somebody come up here with some snacks.
Make pancakes?
After 30 grand.
Oh, with some snacks?
Yeah,
my mother can teach me too.
You know for the pancakes, right?
Yeah.
And please don't do it in one day, yeah?
Yes, your mother got
Stop.
Make sure
Yes.
No. You have to tell the truth.
Please don't do it in one day. Yeah? Not in one day. You can't do it in one day.
Water and spoon.
You know when you put this on the bed, boy, I'm sorry for you for go wash that.
No, don't put the white one, put the one upon it next year when the bed done.
I want to have toothbrush. Oh, syrup.
For the pancake.
Well, this, them I got drink this like wow.
No,
them I put it on bread and eat it. And on biscuit, them I put it and eat it.
So this nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, put on the pancake.
We don't make the pudding.
Smell. Smell good. Put it on the desk, mommy. What? Yeah, that's
Straight now.
no, first smell to them straight
Because it all the drugs and everything. Right, drugs out it one.
Lego. Like so, you scream.
Jaji, you eat pork? You eat pork? Okay, pork in a beef.
Oh, the baked bean.
Yeah, it's a bean
It's a-
bacon.
The only baked bean. As a big.
Thank you.
So, charge like a fried.
I'm gonna show them how to mix it.
Oh, then it's for fry.
Yeah, you know, if you just put the oil in the pan, grease it and chop by the oil and just straight pan it. It's enough to fry with oil. Or you can butter it.
Yeah.
You just make the pan grease.
Yeah, that's
Eat it.
yeah, and you throw that, you throw that pan in.
If Cranberry have a fire up, me that show. And the fire not the iron on.
Open this, take out this and make it taste.
Never
Nice.
light the fire.
Where water there? Where's
There's better like the fire.
No. A drinking water? Oh.
Oh, you're gonna make some?
May I show them how to do it?
Oh.
Water night?
Nana,
I'm one spoon.
Give me my big around this here. Go wait up the whole around this bar.
Let me know something.
Come
You better have the card.
You can go and see me.
What is it? If it's nice, I got to eat it off in one year.
It's nice and cold.
This not when it's cold. No.
Yeah.
Like this nice. It tastes like sugar.
Sugar nice?
Taste it, aye. When them
Kino?
Sugar.
My father go put up that man with.
Now this have to go on the pancake. You put, when you fry, it just goes and spread it around it.
I love it, kid. I want to take out the
go in the fridge. Everyone.
Thank you, friends. Okay, sir. You know, let me know some friend them.
Which friend them?
You don't owe me at all.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
You taste it? You don't taste it. Yeah, you should never taste it.
Mommy, this nice.
I'm showing you texture.
I see this that before.
I eat that one there, chocolate.
But I tasted that before.
So Esther use half cup of the water there?
No, them are the texture. May I show them? So.
Oh, the texture.
Yeah, it's one
more.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks so. Look like flour.
We are full of fire, don't pull out.
They look like flour.
Yeah, it is flour. But it's a different type of flour.
Yeah, them put stuff in it.
Yeah, it has things in there to make it.
Like egg, oil, put all it together.
See that biscuit there on us.
It's just like you know you got the fritters.
Yeah, I said
yeah.
that.
The same body.
Do it with the island knife.
No,
just make the pan grease.
Yeah.
And just grease it.
Yeah.
And just straight in there.
And the eat I go farm it.
Just straight in there every make like 30 seconds. They flip it. Keep flipping it.
Yeah, go on. Later.
Chelsea. Bye bye, Chelsea. This is Manchester United.
Mommy, what Cranberry catch or something?
So this now only can go fry that one. One more, right?
Yeah, I can go with that.
The fire enough for I know?
No, man, I'll do it.
I remember just like fritters.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
How about that?
You take time pour tea in.
What is it like?
Yeah, but you know a buckle, like water buckle? You know a buckle, like soda buckle in the use also?
Yeah, much in the
Straight
bottle.
in there, yeah. And you can just pour it in there from the buckle.
Oh, it's a bubble soda sauce.
That's a bizarre. Pancake.
You need to eat them tomato.
Yeah, when I was younger.
You have to waffle on the tray in there, you get the waffle.
Oh, Esther, how are you, mother?
Should I
tell us some of your bag.
Let me start too.
Dog, you know, let me tell you, mother.
How long?
I'm there.
10 years?
10 years. At least it's not 20. It's just
Next year, when I come back next year, you're going to say 15.
okay. What is from Chung family, Esther?
This.
Who forget this?
Nana.
Oh, Nana. So Nana, all is pancake. You can see what is not for you. It is for Nana. Nana will show it to you. So this is for Nana from the Chung family.
Thank you, Chung family, so much.
Okay.
From the
Chung family.
And the Chung family, thank you so much. And may God bless you and make your food basket never run empty.
Yeah. Evening, liquor miss and liquor man. How are you?
Fine.
No, are you? You're eating Esther Guinness, you're guilty. You cannot hide. You to look, that's why you cannot talk.
Kenisha?
Yeah.
You can't take it if you want here, or if you have that texture here.
Yeah.
Apart to that, Gina?
Oh.
The same somewhere you know want
the
wear.
training bra where you get for wear.
You Kenisha, if you want, you can make it thicker. Alright.
Oh, training.
But you don't have to put it in a cup, in a bottle. You have to put in a cup.
Take time pour it.
Oh. Alright. You can
And you have the flip.
pull it here.
You have the wedding flip. You know the egg flip? Kenisha, look here, you have the flip. Like when you have flip egg and have that.
No.
That's for.
You use it for.
You have to cook it now.
See? Get enough of them, right?
No, for long time, I put it in my jar.
Yeah, I them from Cranberry, because Cranberry have hers and she don't want to wear it.
You know, I don't make them mix up. I mean, a teeth out and then.
You can't teeth out her stuff, you know. You don't even want to wear yours, much less.
Carrying back this Cranberry.
What was it?
I only can bring in these stuff. Bring them in. And then I put down this. So I'm gonna eat pancake tonight. I got pancake.
I'm going to pay enough for I. And I enough for knife, I just agree.
Little man and little miss is here, Esther. Come little man and little miss, come to the forefront.
I'm telling you, Lord, so that with you in the talk,
When she ready, she loud, you know, Toko, you know. When she ready, it's the loudest voice you can ever hear, Toko.
End up couldn't bring it. Them look little.
Eh?
Some of them end up with Kalisa putting them.
Or a little thing.
After, I said, no, you can't put them. Can't drug size.
Can't drug size.
No, I'm seeing one day. I said, no, sir.
I grow since you go, man. So we have little man and
this is for the two girls. What's your name?
Jaisha.
And what's your name?
Nine.
Yeah. Nine.
you just hear this a while ago.
She gone now.
No.
Just this a
She'll
while.
come back.
She gonna go bring up the baby.
Oh.
She'll come back. Come back.
So you don't want to separate it?
No, just after them something.
Okay. So 9 and who?
No, that's the back of the 9. Oh. I feel the money now.
Oh, let's go with that.
I feel the money.
So which two little girl you attack?
No.
9 and who?
No, just the back of the 9. Where's the things that must be she and her brother?
Okay.
What is the
Socks them for little man.
Yeah, and the underpants.
And the underpants.
And the clothes them.
The shorts are for little man too?
Shorts? No, the girl.
The girl.
The little man.
And the pants.
My big man. You feel me? I'm
Socks.
swapping on stuff.
She give it to you, so put it
So
in.
just the buckle.
She give it to her. The two buckle them are for 9.
No, one for she and one for 99.
Oh, one for you, one for 99.
Yeah. And this is for she and her brother. And this.
You roll toothbrush.
They both the bad girl.
The toothbrush in there for you and her. And
yeah. 99 one.
We're roll on one each.
Yeah. But when I have fake Cranberry them, I carry them out. Yeah? Don't tell him. When I tell him, when I tell him.
Don't tell them when I carry them.
Please.
No,
Nana. Tell Nana alone.
No, I'm not telling him. I treat you now.
Nana don't tell everybody.
I show. So I can't bring up little man them too. Me I beg to them. Me I beg for my friend them. If they not go, me
But who tells that we're bringing you? You're not going.
No, Cranberry not go.
Cranberry is not you. And that's she I go.
I bet $1,000.
Yeah, when Nana say.
Nana, just tell her again here, please.
Come.
You're on your bed, you're going to sit on camera and she say, no, come.
You Tara, you have to come. Tara.
Esther, just to be honest, tell them who and who come because Cranberry will feel like she's on that list. She's not.
We'll put the place already.
You're never on the list.
You're never in on the list. Ari?
There's a reason why, because you're under punishment, because you don't want to listen, so we have you on punishment.
Tara, come, right?
Yeah.
And Nana.
It's Tarsi, me not go Tara, not go for real.
No problem.
No, Tara upon your side. Remember when they will get the ice cream?
Mm-hmm.
And Tara run behind me?
Exactly.
Hey, you know, see, what do you 99 push the car? You never say we are push the car.
You get money, you get cream today, you get ice cream? Who get ice cream?
My uncle buy me.
Yeah. A lie, talk us a lie.
Who buy ice cream?
I buy ice cream.
You buy it?
Who? You buy ice cream?
No, she didn't get ice cream today.
When they
so when you buy
we never buy it.
We never buy it? Why?
Hi, too early, time shopping at any time. You sure? I other man go buy ice cream and me buy
and you
ice
get ice cream?
Oh, mother, you have money. I'm a big ass can do. Free woman. Yesterday, woman come give me money 2,000. And she said, me no key now. and tell him, say, I'm going to be here in time I come back and not see you. She come right now, so you still have a boy. You can't call Kino. You can't call Kino. So I say, who what?
Subscribers, she try out.
You know, she tell me. She tell me, man.
She come down there, come look for you, but she never see her. So
Yeah. She tell me, man.
Can't give me a shirt, sister. Can't give me a pretty shirt, yeah.
You're not going to wear it.
Oh.
You don't want to come back and sit in the river.
Nah, I eat more.
We know where the train is, them.
Keep on and tell us if you keep away the train, you don't have any.
No, them dirty.
It's too lie.
No, bar real.
It's too lie. Yeah.
You see one bag of work?
Nana, them dirty, Nana?
Eh?
Them dirty?
Look at the bag if you see work, me there. Go one for you.
Some of them do not do. Thank you,
Exactly.
Thank you, Esther.
Hey, I like when none of the road, you know, because none always target you.
Yeah, Nana and talk.
Yeah, man. I love when them there, you know. Anytime Cranberry start up, I like when none of the close.
So why you have a different than me?
Yeah, man. Because Nana is going to be the prefect. Nana the prefect. You know, in school you have prefect.
Stop push me down there, Tuesday.
Nana, you're the prefect, okay?
Hey, stop that at the bar.
The prefect Sherry. She's the prefect. Nana is the prefect, yeah?
no matter what they cry.
So go. So the prefect will deal with it according to.
The baby then first.
Alright. Prefect Nana.
Not too much. She can't eat too much. I'm very sure the bag of birds.
Yeah, put it on the ground. She said the baby them first, she said.
Eat it off, you know. Never eat it one time, you know.
Anything the prefect do, that's how it goes.
Yeah, think of all right.
Then I said the baby them first. Well done, Nana. So Nana a real leader, you know. Yes. Well done, prefect Nana. Where I go?
No, that's Esther.
Yes, I know why you whisper nothing in our ears. You don't want any. You gotta eat up that, you know, you gotta leave back some. You just can't put on the rest now till another. Well, that now till another day. Let them get them already.
Nine, okay. Put no fair back.
Yeah.
And don't eat it, Jerome.
Look in at it.
Yes, mayonnaise.
So from today, stand up here, sir. From today, Nana is the prefect, okay? Yes. So now listen to Nana. Yes. Nana, come here. You're the prefect in the class, okay? So you have to make sure you always tell Cranberry the right thing. Yeah? Yes, tell them the right thing. If you go on with anything wrong, you just tell me as well to report to the principal, yeah? And you can tell Esther anything. So yeah, Esther, so we just promote Nana
to
the prefect. Yes, Nana is the prefect. Okay, Tara? So, yes. So we have. So you are the student counselor. Talk. So when time Nana tell us, yo, go get that, just go get it, yeah? Because you're the student counselor.
Where did she's prefect get the fair?
Oh.
Nana can't get you in a top.
Talk war too much. You can't give somebody who like war. Them thing there. I forget somebody with calm, you know? But we talk. But talk.
So Cranberry
no, sir. So that she needs some. We can have prefect. You're not getting no grade yet.
Yeah, now going to 6 grade.
Yes, you know, ready for prefect, student council, nothing yet. Yeah, so when the prefect talk, what you must do?
Yeah.
When the prefect talk, what you must do?
Yeah.
Listen. You know, you hear, you listen. Well, then you finish that quick now. You want more? No more. Just make sure so they don't get no more, yeah?
Mama, if I that thing, she don't hide it already.
The prefect in control. So if you again anybody give them 1-1, like when they get a lot already, give them one single one. Yeah, one single one. You want more though?
Can I tell much there, Nana?
So Nana, so you are leader of the team, you know. Where you wanna go? Din 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 din, you know. Where you want to eat? Alright, since you don't know, it's alright then. Yeah. At least I'm glad they never say ice cream. Because I say, boy, I'm not tired to eat ice cream. KFC. Two.
Okay. I bet Cranberry that did the answer.
Yeah. Cranberry, come here.
Cranberry, come here. If you don't go on the trip with them, which way I want to go? If you don't go, we don't want to go.
Anyway, you bring me?
No.
Which part you don't want to go?
Hotel.
Yeah, I got a resort again.
You know who I go back and know who I one more, just one more family then. See them here?
I told you how to do it. You know, just take a bus and say you're going to go to hotel.
Go to Kingston and you take a next one.
Yeah, and tell them say you go hotel. Just tell them you're going to the hotel with a pool. Yeah.
Yes, I'm going to
last. No, you don't have to go. You have to go. Yeah?
Yeah, Jay saw them on my farm. See them here?
Them not go. You're alone. Come on, make sure. You're alone. Alright guys, so everything goes. So Esther says she's gonna have a treat for them, you know. Well, not, we don't want to say treat, we don't want to mix it up like the big treat, you know, when they said the other day. You know, she's gonna just carry them somewhere, you know.
And then we are still there for much day.
You see? Through I mentioned treat, she thinks that somewhere they're gonna stay for much day. That's why I say, Esther, we're not gonna use the word treat anymore. Yeah? It's not a treat like where you go to the hotel. No, not a treat. It's just a go out. Yeah, you're gonna go out for the day. Not for the day, for a couple of hours. Huh? Yeah?
Look here.
Yeah.
My teacher said I want an hour. And then she said, well, they said, I could stop by the ball. And I said, my miss. And she said,
you said no, right?
She said, by the water.
Degree. Hey, teacher, oh, you mean it's not working? Yeah?
She said, probably one battery. Look at the battery down. I want the battery.
It's just a little battery.
Look here. I see that. What do you mama buy?
It's full, feel it.
No, I'm a green. Something like that. It's a bad word I'm using.
Yes, I have a different one. Oh, the degree them are better, right?
Yeah, remember with
the
one that you bring.
Finish, that finish.
You get the degree.
Next time I drop them this year.
Yeah.
What soap you use?
Like bathing soap.
Bathing soap you use? Left at the river or when you bring it come home?
See that soap, baby? Come on, whatever them pearl one them.
Mother now make you use them.
Or the dove. The dove one them.
I'm afraid of them.
Yeah.
Like you make them the soap
no.
one day.
Mama don't take it.
Wash well. The big soap.
It wash well, though?
The big soap.
It wash well?
Mommy, remember my big soap? Look at me. Yeah. And it wash well.
It washed away.
Watch my guinea from.
The body parts, I get something. So, watch it. So, I know why you leave it this out. But you're very kind, that's good. You leave it for whenever anyone's passing them get. That is very good of you. In that way, anyway. This can't stay because it's a giveaway. I bet when she reach nothing no left.
What time is that doing now?
But you leave it on the stall and gone
next
left
time you should have bring it.
And boom, them gone left it.
Pick it, and then I pick it up and have the bunch in my hand.
Well, imagine she pick guinea, right? And she leave the guinea right in the walkway. Everybody will walk past it.
For the jelly tree.
Yeah. So we expect to happen. Everybody pass them pick a bunch.
Guinea for the jelly tree.
You pick them gone.
What tree there?
Them gone.
If you know, I put the guinea for the jelly tree.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, after the jelly tree.
And when she pick the guinea off the jelly tree. You want it? See your face. Tara.
See my jelly, yeah? Feel like
You ready? Ready to go, ready to go, ready to go, ready to go.
You finished? Nana.
Alright then, charge it.
Alright, see if you're ready.
Because we have some donation as well too. We never get to start that out as yet. You know, because you know, so to start it out, make it to get it, yeah? Might bring my sister come river tomorrow, so she want come river.
Daddy, go and come river, come swim.
Yeah, so I bring my sister come river.
Early.
Go to the water, make the water stay same way.
Yeah.
No, you have to tell him to come early for real.
I said,
How come see it what man? What mean?
Yeah, no, I know, I pin them drum yesterday when she crowd yesterday, bus yesterday, side that bus.
Oh, bus, okay. I'm see it me like how the let out already?
Yeah, bus yesterday.
Okay.
We dey pull the short side Friday, because to the rain, the right dirty.
Oh.
Pull it. So
you wash out?
Yeah, so yesterday never fixed up back out to the crowd, they come in, we just put back one row.
Okay, okay. Up your crowd yesterday?
Saturday, yesterday crowd.
Crowdy, can you imagine? Through the holiday.
On Friday, the whole week coming down crowd, man, on Friday.
Can you imagine I'm up here Wednesday?
Wednesday crowd there. Friday,
Yeah.
to the river, come down and
So 9 there. Yeah, no. No space in nobody swim. Tomorrow. We'll go up here tomorrow.
Yeah, we have to come tomorrow when the place of football.
Yeah, I'll come here tomorrow.
The place called Crow there.
Yeah. Eh? But then 1 o'clock them time so. For 1, 2. Yeah, no.
That's a fear one, blue back. 2 of them.
2 of them are fair.
No one back up.
2 back up.
We should have given them like Elster. That one.
Pepper, the jelly one.
Oh, that one the pepper. I'll taste the next one there. Maybe I'll taste the next one.
Oh, one for Jaisha.
That's all I know.
One for Jaisha.
Yeah?
You see this? It's sure?
Yeah.
It's sure in there? Oh, see there. Take it up.
Which one you want? Pink or blue?
Blue you want?
And the number them.
You can thank Esther.
Here, I pick some number for you tomorrow.
Number? I'm not big for the number, you know. We have Blackie.
Yeah,
Esther, we eat them. We love Blackie. Blackie and East Indian my man go them there. Blackie and East Indian. But East Indian is number 1. Blackie will come after. So see you later. Tomorrow everybody. Charge it. Alright, prefect. Prefect Nana. You have to ask Nana first.
Your child.
Tara, ask this guy. Charge for drinking them, man. Charge you need them more than we.
Yeah, them people can pick them. I don't think I'm going to take the whole of them. He didn't tell us I should happy. You know, come on, I'm happy with myself. See, a man with a some dark time, I'll give me some.
Okay.
You know, you can buy me a floater tomorrow?
Buy a floater tomorrow?
Me want a floater.
A cranberry, I said floater, I'll just bother up and take them from her. Yeah?
From the bed, me never take it off.
It's like a cranberry, I said floater, I just bother to say, yo, the prefect one, okay? But the prefect are going to want one, so I give the prefect one. I get suspend.
I pay my pay me.
Pay for the hustle.
And then me I get, and then we have all 5 bills to rent a floater.
5 bills?
Yeah, floater.
Hey, the way I kick her for. That's not good talk.
So sorry.
Prefect, you know see what I go on prefect? Hey, you want to talk? Hey, Toko. Listen to your prefect.
We just drink champagne.
He's our no prefect. He's our prefect. He's our.
Tino, we drink champagne.
Alright, now, Toko. Alright, Toko. Alright, he's not Toko. Easy now.
Tino, we just drink champagne.
Yeah?
See back with the power star.
You top up yourself, son.
We are in Jamaica.
No, sir. You are the you need to be the peacekeeper, okay, Toko? Toko, what about?
You find back what boss about that father.
Boy, you drink champagne. We are drink champagne.
Not me. My mother.
Must have Toko on war boat. It's a war boat, you know. Boom! Go on.
What pin shirt there?
That's the girl wear shirt there. Oh. The hat. Actually drop where him drop, make him hot. Eh? What happened? Fix our clothes. A champagne, man.
Alright?
Switchy too much.
Yeah. Hey, switchy too much.
Daddy, yeah, boom set. Me not gonna look fun.
Yeah.
And I'm my guy. I'm on some more to do it.
You know, you can't jump off of this stuff. Like I can do
Eh?
Oh, boy. I want to man, you have to do it.
You see pallet?
That's all the clean. You see that? Now I'm going to come on and that's so clean.
Toko. The prefect talk to her, she vex. Hey, Toko, you're always up in our feelings, you know. The prefect. Yeah, and Nana the prefect. I'll fight. I see she fight Nana a while ago, you know. Yeah. She fly, kick and everything. And Toko, you're not supposed to fight, okay? Yeah, high five, not Toko. Give him high five.
Africa, no high five.
Toko, give him high five. Toko now budging.
Feelings, you know.
Yeah.
Boss, up in feelings now.
Hey, I want you serious, you know. Right, Tara.
My friend Harry.
Toko, high five, you heard me? I'm going. Come, high five.
Toko, come.
I want high five up in the air.
Aye.
No, it's a little better than that. Come.
Come,
Better high five than that. No, man, that's not Toko high five. That is the Vex I want a one high five. Come. Give me a high five. Yeah. Give me one more. Give me one more. Okay.
So she go on,
Come.
man.
Come. No more fighting, okay? Yeah? No more fighting. Alright, so now got no more hotel if you no fight. If you no fight, no hotel. Ari, high five. Come, Ari. High five. Yeah, that's how Toko should give me high. Come, Tara.
Come here,
Yeah, come, Toko. Better high five. Come. High five.
And tighter.
Alright, come go up now. No, don't worry. We're gonna make you know, prefect.
I saw my phone in the room.
So see after I'm gonna sleep and I'm gonna get every phone and she don't want to give me back.
She don't want to give back though.
No, man, I broke that. She get her phone.
This is safe, but she do not see.
Oh, Cranberry. Harry.
Yeah, no, I love broke phone. You can't get her phone.
Yeah. But keep it when I'm up on the bed because she can kill me.
Let me kill her, do I break your one brother?
Alright, up the road, miss. Up the road. Go on now.
Bye, daddy.
Bye. Come on, man.
Give me high five, you want me? I have to do Come, Iris. Come, Iris. Girl, it's a key.
Yeah.
Let's take away in car. Esther.
Take care of good Toko. We have a special gift for you, for Nana, Toko, Ari, and Tara. Who don't hear them name?
Toko, a special gift for mine.
Yeah, left.
Don't fight.
Right, prefect?
So want to go, Tara?
Who call Tara name?
Want to go, look one.
Yeah. So boy, I don't know what going on with your name. She get left out though.
Your name I get bad Cranberry.
Yeah, your name is getting bad. You need to get it back on the good list.
Yeah.
Where?
Your name is on the naughty list.
Yeah, go back on the good list.
Yeah. Cranberry name is start to go on the naughty list, guys. So you know, when Santa come around, yeah, her name is on the naughty list. Hey, I want to, hey, Toko, you know, hey, she love her, you know. She not take talk, you know. No. And she's strong, you know.
Of course.
She's strong. Cause even a try for park her, the way she's strong and she's frisky. Them can't manage her. Guys, I tell you, them cannot manage Toko. Look like this here. She's very strong. Yeah. Cause she have a look that as well, you know, when she sees and she gives her look there and you have to like, even me sometimes I have to back up and see she look certain way, I have to like, look, way up.
Yeah, man, I too keen on
she have a look sometime, man, where she's not in the mood, they go say something to her and she look up underneath her eyes and like, what, Toko? That's not the first, the last time she have fight Cranberry, man, I tell you.
Remember?
Cranberry couldn't manage her and Toko proper fight, you know, man.
Yeah,
man, and she gonna be the war boat, man. Yeah, that's why she moves in the water, so she moves frisky, nippy, yeah, man. She's strong, man. No, sir. And she the loudest, you know. When she ready for talk, I fear mouth you hear.
She hardly talk.
And she hardly talk, but I fear mouth you hear. No, sir. Yes, guys, so give thanks to ND, thank you ND, and also the Chung, and also Esther, you know, for giving these kids these wonderful stuff. So we have Esther here, you know, step the iron bird and come drop off the goods them. You know, anything going. We big up ND, you know, you always doing a great job. We thank you so much as well. And the Chung family, you know, you never stop giving. You know, I will pick up all our extended family. We never stop showing love and support. You know, and we're going strong. Going strong for years now. You know, you guys never leave this program. Every day we meet new people, new family to the program. You know, it never stops.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.